going on, guys? It's Talon with Soul Motor Coach out here in my gargantuan leather jacket on an obviously cold Kentucky day. It's actually kind of gloomy. We had some sun, but it's decided to hide itself up there. But I'm out here to show you this beautiful little 2024 Tiffin Wayfarer that actually just got here on trade. So I haven't a chance to get it a bath or anything like that, but I was out here grabbing some pictures really quick, and I just wanted to really quickly walk you through it, show you the inside, because this is a 25 RLW, and that's a really unique floor plan, and you're gonna see why when we get on the inside. And the previous owners have made some changes and decisions that I actually really like. '24 Tiffin Wayfarer 25 RLW, and this floor plan has no slide outs. I know, yeah, you heard that right, no slide outs on this little Wayfarer. They started making this floor plan in 24. It was actually the best-selling non-slide floor plan for leisure travel there for a little while, and Tiffin picked it up in 24, and I think the 24 is the only year that they made it. Don't quote me. Like I said, I just did a little bit of quick research before I came out here, but I wanted to get it in front of you guys. Now, it's freezing out here. I'm sure it's just windy enough to be messing with the microphone, so we're going to kind of quick fire go around the outside, and then I'll show you what I'm sure everyone really wants to see, which is what we got going on the inside. On the Mercedes chassis, so that gets you this really modern front end styling, along with all of their good bells and whistles on the inside. You've got adaptive cruise. There's a good size infotainment center in there, obviously with Bluetooth and CarPlay, all that good stuff. 360 camera system that turns on when you hit your turn signal. I think that's really cool. It inspires a lot of confidence when you're merging. And then it's got the tried and true 6-cylinder turbo diesel that's just an absolute little torque monster. Obviously full body paint. Really like the color scheme on this one. And wait till we get inside and you see that ginormous window. Also on these, the kitchen window is much larger than your other Wayfarer floor plans. Tires on this one are going to be probably late 23, so they're going to be good to go. Now they are still going to get inspected, make sure there's nothing going on from the little bit of road use that this has had. I almost forgot to mention 4,500 miles on this one, so it should still have that Mercedes chassis warranty that goes along with these. Huge Girard awning spans the length of the coach. It's got lighting built in, along with some speakers that are hooked up to your stereo system inside. And the main benefit to having no slides, other than just simplicity, is this, what you see in front of you is your footprint no matter what you're doing. We're just on this kind of little access road here that is definitely a little wider than what a standard parking space would be, but as you can see, we've got tons of room on either side, so you're not going to have any issue getting into a Cracker Barrel to stop overnight, or a truck stop if they're really crowded. Also, it's going to be great for some of those state parks that are pretty tight. Bay wise, there's your central vacuum system, inverter, along with some storage. And I apologize for the dirt. Not bad, they are clean, but you do have some dirt in the bottom. There's an extra mat and more storage there. Sure, I've missed some stuff on the outside here, but my hands are going numb. So let's hop on the inside where it's nice and warm and check out the interior. All right, welcome inside to this non-slide Tiffin Wayfarer. Real quick, I'm going to show you a couple things up here in the cockpit, and then we're going to talk about what this previous owner did that I think is just so cool. Dash. We've got our Mercedes steering wheel. There's your adaptive cruise control on there. Screen in the middle. And there is your infotainment, Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay. Your 360 camera system will come up on that, when you're turning or need it. Also the backup camera. Above the dash is going to be a bed. Right now it's been used for some storage, so there are your windshield covers to block out the sun, and for privacy, some extra padding right there for the seats. The ladder is stored just back here in a pretty cool little spot. We'll show you that when we get to the bedroom, but nice for some extra storage or for some extra sleeping space if you bring some kiddos along with you, maybe the grandkids or something. Right here, just as you come out of the cockpit, is where this change has been made. And it looks like they had this cabinet work done at Tiffin. So originally in this floor plan, you have two jump seats, one here and here. And this previous owner has opted to take those out in favor of cabinetry, which one, it gives you, they went with such a beautiful wood countertop there, matched the cabinets perfectly. And it gives you so much extra storage. There's the hose for your central vacuum system. It gives you so much extra storage. And that is one of the most important things, if not probably the most important thing in a coach of this size. Inside, what it does is make your galley absolutely ginormous. Now, the original floor plan, there would be a seat here, so your galley would cut off right about there. They did have a piece of countertop that would lay down, but this gives you 3 giant drawers instead of a little jump seat right there, and I think that's just too cool. One thing I actually just noticed is these are all soft close. How about that? Moving to the features of the galley, we've got a single bowl stainless steel sink, a true induction cooktop, no propane in this Wayfarer. Even your furnace and everything will be run off of the water heater. So another way just to simplify. Of the color options in this coach, all of the flooring and the beautiful Corian countertops. Here is your Spider control center where you can do all of your lights individually. Got a nice master light switch. Operates your vent fans. These are just settings for the screen itself. See your battery voltage, all your tank levels, all of that good stuff. Got your main control panel up here with your inverter controls. Your controls for your generator and a solar controller, along with your Winegard satellite system. Just across from your galley is going to be your Norcold refrigerator. This is an all-electric model, and then your convection microwave oven just above. Another really cool feature, something that I just thought was pretty neat, is this little spice rack here. Really good use of space there, and this is also soft close. That's pretty cool. Back, we have our one-piece molded fiberglass shower. Is a little bit of pink stuff down there. Just got this one winterized with a skylight above. Just a really, really good size shower. We'll have a shower miser in here. Pretty cool. If you want to learn more about that, give us a call. Basically, they use it to save water. It'll recirculate your water until it gets warm, and then you turn this valve here and you'll have warm water that comes out of your spigot. Just across from your shower is going to be your really, really nice sized restroom. Good storage there. A bunch more down below. A nice sized vanity. I think a really well placed bathroom window and a vent with a fan. Good thinking on the floor plan, because you can use your door there to kind of compartmentalize this space to give you some privacy back here in the restroom. To the rear, we have our lounge space. Nice place to lay down here. 2 power recliners. Good storage in the middle there. In this room on camera, it feels really tight, but when you're in here, this opens up really well. Does not feel claustrophobic even a little bit. Good sized LG smart television with an LG soundbar below. And probably my favorite thing, maybe in the whole coach, be this gargantuan window that you have on this side of the living space. Take a seat here. Helps give it an open feel even more, and it gives you a great view of wherever you're camping at. There are two hookups for the tables that are stored just up there. Some more storage with hanging and 3 good-sized drawers below. Also some storage along the radius of the roof here. That's actually really deep. I'm kind of short, so I can't stick my arm down in there. And these are also soft close. Kind of a strong spring there. Behind your seats is going to be a Murphy bed. It'll be a queen size bed. You lay the tops of these down and that folds out. Let me do that for you real quick. Lay those down. A couple of fasteners up here. Grab right here. This will fold out kind of as a foot. You have your queen size bed with a great view on either side. Good view of the television. Once it's time to turn it back to a living space, we just fold our bed up, all assisted by shocks, so easy one-man job. And we just fasten our latch back, our cushions back on, and we're back to a living space. I really like this floor plan. No slides to contend with, but I think it really represents the essence of what these are supposed to be about. A small form factor that's easy to use, easy to drive. You can put it just about anywhere that doesn't lack the modern amenities and features that we've become accustomed to on modern RVs. Well, there's my 2 cents on it. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below about what you think about this floor plan. How did I do? I'm sure I missed some things. Please jump on the website. We'll have all the still pictures and information on this coach available there. If you have any specific questions, whether something you saw in the video, something I missed, or just a general question about the coach, shoot us an inquiry there. Go to contact, fill out your info, and ask a question. We'd be happy to help anybody out there. And be sure to check out some of our other YouTube videos where Doug covers our very in-depth process that we take these coaches through and how we take the risk out of buying a used motorhome. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.